Hey everybody, it's Bruce. Today I finished up my ring project and I think it turned out pretty great actually, much better than I expected. And I think it's probably my funnest project I've done yet. I've probably put in maybe 3 hours into it from what I read online and what people on the talking form, wood working talk or something like that. They said that it's probably European beech, and I checked online and in the wood database or whatever it is, and it does seem like that's probably what it is. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. It fits me. I'm really gonna wear it because my other one broke after, I mean, I've had that other one for like 8 years or something. Now I'll wear this one. It's a bit more bulky for sure. I was a little bit too chicken to get really thin like the one I bought. Maybe next time, or I don't know. And also it was getting too thin on some areas and too thick on the others, so I figured I should just stop now. Thing is, I have no idea about stains or oils or anything like that. I don't know anything about treating wood, so if anybody is watching this and you have an idea about how I should treat this or anything, just please let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye.